Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Chotty and today we're having a cooking challenge. Jared Crocker from the Crockers, actually he's not from the Crockers, Jason is, but it's from the same family. He's Jason's twin brother. Challenged us to cook him. So knowing Jason, I decided it's gotta be all about Texas. So to begin with, I'm going to open up my bottle of wine, which is a Texas-made wine, because I don't drink beer. And even if I thought about getting some today, but I'm without a car, therefore, you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so I start breathing a little bit. This wine is from the Silver Spur, okay? And it's made in Nacogdoches, Texas. But also, Phil, the owner, has also a wine tasting in my town, Hyco, Texas. So if you're ever around here, make sure you do that, because this is, he makes awesome wine. It really is. And I do believe Texas wine will get him very, very popular, and I do in European wines. How about that? And I'm happy about that. Okay. I just wanted to breathe, okay? All right. So that's what we're gonna do first. And since it's all about Texas, I decided I'm gonna share with him my Texas Reuben. Yes, I actually created a Texas Reuben, folks, and it's wonderful. So the first thing we're gonna do, and I have one on the grill already. I don't have, I cannot edit. I'm waiting on a monitor or something to put my DVD, and it hasn't come on yet, so I had to do what I had to do, a lot of prepping. The first one I did it out of my homemade bread, Jared, homemade bread, and it's awesome. But this one I will make it out of rye bread. Either way, any bread you want is okay with me. We don't have to suffer and say, well, I don't like this, well, do something else. Okay, and I'm gonna get the two nice slices like that, okay? All right, I hope you're doing very well. This has been fun. The first one was for Jason, and I look like I lost all my dignity on that one, but I love making a video. Okay, for the sauce, I wanted something spicy. Now, I had made my sauce before, but when I start trying this is the Blue Top brand, and it's a honey chipotle. I don't know if you can see it, okay? And it is amazing, and it has the little sweetness with a little kick on it. Fantastic. So, and excuse me, I better go get my other sandwich before I burn it. It smells really good up here, in here. All right. So, going back to the sandwich. This is really wonderful. And when I tried, I thought, no, I don't need to do anything else but use this. So the first thing we're gonna do is use this chipotle honey with the blue top. And you want a nice, generous, pretty good. On both sides. I developed this sandwich. I had the Reuben has always been in I used to have a tea room, and it was always in my menu, always. But I had people from around here, they like to eat more. They like to eat and spicy and stuff like that. And one day it kind of dawned on me, why can't I make something like that? So I played with it and came out with a Texas Reuben. I think it's gonna be great, and I think, Jared, you're gonna love this sandwich. I know it's not a barbecue, but you did say we can do whatever we wanted to, right? Okay, so win or lose, try this sandwich. You're gonna love it. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. The next thing I'm gonna do is the cheese. And we want Swiss cheese. On that one, I did not change. I like the Swiss cheese in it. And for this big sandwich, I'm gonna put 2 slices of deli cheese, okay? And what I may do in here is kind of cut a little bit around this so it will not melt everywhere, but hey, I'm gonna put it back in there again. All right, now, the next thing we're gonna do is the corned beef. Now, I like shaved. When you go to the deli, make sure you ask for shaved. When there's now, if you like it thicker, it's fine, but I don't. Sometimes the thicker has little strings on it, and I'm very picky about that. So I like the, you know, the shaved. It just eats, you know, you eat it so wonderfully. It's smooth, it's nice, it's just, you know. And you want to put plenty now. Don't be shy about the corned beef. And I'm not a person that likes corned beef very much, but yet I love my Reuben with the corned beef, but it has to be shaved, as I said. Alrighty, this is nice. Look at this. That's a lot of meat in there, right? Well, we're not through yet. What is favorite thing of Jared? Bacon! Bacon, 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 bacon. Woohoo! Well, here it is. Bacon it is. And I'm going to put plenty because it's a big, probably about 4 slices, or give or take. Yeah, right here, 4 slices. Next, of course, it comes the sauerkraut, because you cannot have a Reuben, no matter if it's Texan or regular, without a sauerkraut, right? Well, here we go. I got a funny little persistent kind of a fly in here. I have everything covered because I was just bananas. You want to make sure, try not to get a can. I mean, if you don't have any other choices, do so, but try to get the sauerkraut that's on a jar. And there's certain brands that have less water than others, you know, liquid. And if you do, go ahead and, you know, get that. You know, it's easier to put on and everything. I let my drain squeeze as much as I can so be nice and ready, okay? Well, I'm not finished there yet. We gotta have something else, right? What is a Texan without a jalapeno? And onions. So I roasted, yes, I roasted jalapenos and onions. Look at that. They're beautiful, right? Okay. This is gonna go right on the top. Oh yes. Folks, this is an awesome. And then all these jalapenos on top. Not use 2 big jalapenos. You can make as many. You can use any kind of peppers, hot peppers that you want, okay? But I slice them in little strips. I think it's about 4 strips per half. And I roast them in the oven at 375. And it didn't take but about 10 minutes, so it didn't take that long. And make sure it's a preheated oven. See, I'm just putting all of that there. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Once you do that, I think that's all I have in there to put on. That's it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and top it. And if this is not a sandwich, I don't know what it is. Look at that. This is a Texas Reuben, folks. And make sure you try that out. It is absolutely fantastic. And do use this because, like I said, it needs a little kick, a little more kick, and that gives it. Sometimes the jalapenos are hot, sometimes they're not as hot as you would like to. So it all depends what you like, okay? Now, I need it. Now we're gonna spread some butter on the top and we're gonna grill it. And what you wanna do is grill it until, don't put a very high heat, about a medium heat, and kind of watch it, okay? Because that way, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it, put it in the grill, turn it, put some more butter, and then be right back. Now I have made one, like I said, out of my bread. My bread is very, very wide, okay? And I will be making, when I have my apparatus for the DVD, some more cooking videos, and I will be making my bread. It's absolutely awesome and very healthy, by the way. So, as I say, I normally don't like as much meat as, you know, what you would do. But everything is melted, the cheese, everything. But I do have everything that I put in the other one, except I didn't put as much. Normally, that is the sandwich that I would do for my tea room. Okay? And, that's wonderful. Now, with a beer, you can put a Corona, it would be awesome. Whatever you like. Or a little glass of wine. A Texas wine from the Silver Spurs from Nacogdoches, Texas. Here's to you, Jer. I hope you liked my video, and it's been a lot of fun and wonderful to make. I want to wait for just a second. I want to get the other bread out here so you can see it, and we'll be done. Meanwhile, folks, I really want to thank all of you for being there for me when I did that crazy video. That was kind of outside the box for me, but it was fun, and y'all been very supportive with your comments, with your subscriptions. I mean, it's just gonna blow my mind out. But thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And by the way, some people wanted to know where I'm from. I'm from Spain. I was born in the south in Sevilla, but I was raised in Barcelona and then went to boarding school right on the border of France. So yeah, I'm a little mixture of everything. So you know, been in the United States in 1963, and the first place that I've been in Texas, West Texas. So even though I'm not a Texan like Jer, I chose Texas as my home. Hold on. All right, look at here. Now that is a sandwich. Let me put this one back here. And we're gonna go ahead and cut this one. You can cut it this way or that way. I'm gonna cut it in half because this was gonna go to my neighbors. They don't know that yet. They're so sweet. They take very good care of me, and I love them. So when I make bread or anything extra, but see, we're not done yet. No, folks. And I hope I'm not going over 10 minutes. Because Jer, I make a Texas chocolate sheet cake. So, honey, I hope you enjoyed my video. And yes, enjoy it. And let me cut you a piece of cake. And we're still not done. Now, how I'm gonna serve this with, excuse my mess.